Alrighty, so the very first thing we're going to do right now would be to generate a custom theme from this website known as the underscores website. What exactly is this underscores? Well, it says, hi, I am a starter theme called underscore S or underscores if you like. I am a theme meant for hacking, so don't use me as a parent theme. Instead, try turning me into the next most awesome WordPress theme out there. That's what I'm here for. So underscores is what we refer to as a starter theme. It's a theme that has only the necessary amount of code needed for WordPress to work. It has just the bare bones amount of code out there. There are no fancy functions or fancy scripts that do additional things. All you get from underscores is the basic package for a WordPress theme. So it's a very good way to start off developing any WordPress theme. You simply come in here, generate the starter theme, and then you can begin to enhance and develop that theme into becoming the very next best WordPress theme out there. So what we're going to do right now is to generate our own custom theme. Let's come in here right now where we have the theme name. And for me, I am going to name mine starter. Okay. Feel free to use a different name. You don't have to use starter. You can use any kind of name that you want. So let's go ahead and generate the theme. And you can see right now, this is the zip file right there. So I'm going to jump over to my website, starter.tascopedia.com. This is the site I'm going to be working with for quite some time. So let's go ahead and install the theme. Let's go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, Upload. And from here, I'm just going to click and drag starter.zip right in here. And let's install the theme. Let's activate the theme. And there you go. We have successfully created our custom theme. And if you go to your site right now, you can see that there is no formatting. Everything looks out of place. And this is how it is supposed to be. We are supposed to develop this theme into becoming the next best theme out there. So we'll have to do lots of CSS, write lots of WordPress functions and development and so on and so forth. But this is a good start. We have gotten our custom theme generated. We've installed it. Now let's move on to explaining and taking a look at how WordPress template files actually work.